Issuing a warning, the Department of Fisheries has advised fishing and naval communities to refrain from venturing into sea areas extending from Mannar to Puthuvil via Puttalam, Colombo, Galle and Hambantota. Meanwhile, the Department of Meteorology says strong winds up to 50 to 55 kilometers per hour are likely over the western, southern, central Sabaragamuwa, northwestern and north central provinces and in the Trincomalee district.
The Ministry of Fisheries said that 20 multi-day fishing vessels in international waters stranded due to inclement weather had reached the Maldives. The ministry previously informed all fishermen at sea to dock their shipping vessels at the closest and safest port. The Department of Fisheries is currently in the process of communicating with these fishing vessels.
We made arrangements to divert all shipping vessels to the Maldives due to close proximity. All fishermen and naval vessels are in safe grounds. We have warned all fishermen to refrain from engaging in coastal activities.
Meanwhile, the National Building Research Organization has issued a red alert landslide notice advising locals in the Imbulpe Divisional Secretariat in Ratnapura, the Kotmale area in Norelia, and Udapalate in Kandy to evacuate to safer locations immediately. The National Building Research Organization further said that the landslide warnings issued for the Ratnapura, Norelia, Kegalle, Kandy, Kalutara, Matara and Galle districts are still in effect. The Disaster Management Center said 52 families residing in the Kurusapadua area in Chilav have been temporarily evacuated due to rough seas. The families have been relocated to the Chilav Vella Roman Catholic Church.
We want everyone to evacuate to safer grounds, but many refuse to do so. However, I request them to take the necessary items and leave as soon as possible. 960 individuals of 250 families are being relocated. 174 houses and 25 shops have been damaged due to the inclement weather.
One person was killed in Overkanda, Ratkama when a tree collapsed on him while riding his motorcycle. The victim was identified as a 41-year-old resident of Wakwella. During the past 72 hours, a total of 8 people were killed due to inclement weather conditions and landslides. A house in Narangala, Paragoda, Uyangoda in Matara was heavily damaged due to a falling tree. Our correspondent said one individual sustained injuries. The Ceylon Electricity Board said power supply to 120,000 houses in the Galle and Matara districts was disrupted due to the prevailing inclement weather. It added that operations are currently underway to restore the power supply.